Hey, Dr. Kevin Skinner. Over the past 12 years, I've had the privilege of sitting with hundreds of couples from all over the world who are experiencing some of the most painful moments in their lives. In these intensive settings, I've learned something powerful. The couples come because they're in pain. They might understand part of their problem, but they don't know how to get out. And then over a 3 or 4 day period of time, we help them understand the healing process, how to create safety and connection, how to rebuild trust. And that's why I've spent the last decade trying to refine this process, because it's not easy. It's one of the more difficult things that I've learned to do as a therapist is help couples who are stuck. So if you're a therapist who works with betrayal trauma, infidelity, compulsive sexual behavior, and distressed couples, I want to personally invite you to join me. I've had many therapists ask me, can I come do an intensive with you? Finally, after 10 plus years of working to refine this content, I have created what's called the intimacy repair method. And the intimacy repair method isn't just a model. It's a training that helps you learn how to do intensives. And what I'll do is I'll take you inside the work I do in couples intensives and share with you what I've learned throughout these intensive sessions. I'll talk about how to stabilize overwhelmed couples and how to assess couples with a unique assessment that I've created just for couples who are dealing with sexual betrayal. I'll also introduce the 7 pillars of what I call the intimacy repair method. We're going to talk about working with shame and defensiveness, how to shift from empathy into compassion, how to respond to attachment injuries where couples seem stuck. And we're going to talk about how to help them connect from the most basic needs and how powerful it can be with our clients. Now, in this, you're going to experience live demonstrations, how to use clinical tools and assessments. I'll be even showing part of how to implement the Cartman triangle in this process. It's something I've developed over the last decade. I'd love to share it with you. We're going to begin in September, the first date in beautiful Heber Valley in the fall as the leaves are changing colors. And what we're going to do is we're going to spend some time together learning, and then we're going to spend an afternoon in the mountains watching the beautiful leaves as they change colors and just enjoy time playing and learning together. Now, that's our first opportunity in September. The dates are September 16th through the 19th. Or if you would like to join me at sea, where we can combine learning, rest, and connection, leaving from Miami, and we'll do a 7-day cruise, February 7th through 14th. Imagine spending a week with fellow clinicians discussing the complexities of couple healing, learn the intimacy repair method, enjoy these conversations in a beautiful setting. Now, my invitation, if you're working with couples, you want to know how to do more, how to help them. If you've ever wondered what really happens inside a couples intensive, I'd love to share that journey with you. So come learn the intimacy repair method with me, discover the principles that have transformed my work over the past 10 to 12 years and helped many, many couples. I hope you'll join me. We've got the September in Heber Valley and also the cruise in February. I look forward to learning with you and sharing the intimacy repair method with you.